today's video has absolutely nothing to do with sunscreen, but it does have to do with skincare. This is the Dermy Dot Box Fall Box, which I paid for with my own money because I forgot to cancel my subscription after I ordered the Summer Box, which the Summer Box is sunscreen. And I love it. This year was the second year that I got that box, but I forgot to cancel. So this one showed up. They do 4 boxes a year. They're fantastic if you like to try skincare. There's a range of cheaper to high-end products. I don't remember how much the box is. I'll pop it up on the screen. I thought I would show you what was in the fall box this year. It does come with these really cute, my daughter loves these, little packing hearts. That are pink. They're so cute. That dissolve in water. My daughter loves to take these and just dissolve them in water for me. You have a guide that has all of the products. It tells you the price point in here and tells you a little bit of something about them. And they usually give you a coupon or two. What is this? Oh, this tells you about how to exfoliate, why to exfoliate, ways to exfoliate. I'm glad I got this box because it has a couple products that I already use and repurchase frequently. The first one is the CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion, ultra lightweight. This I love using as a daytime moisturizer, not as a nighttime one. And I have one currently, I have one open. So this is a 1.7 fluid ounce. It's very gentle, lightweight, restores the protective skin barrier, has ceramides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. And this is, how much is this? This one is $10. Then this is one of my favorite products of all time. I love this. This is the Dove Exfoliating Bath Wash. I use this the day before I shave my legs and my armpits because it just makes my skin so smooth. It's also moisturizing as well. I've gotten compliments. You know, I frequent the dermatologist. I've gotten compliments on how smooth my skin is, and I swear it's because of this. I cannot tell you how many times I have repurchased this. I don't get the high exfoliation. There's 3 different levels of exfoliation. You can see this one has 2 out of 3. I haven't tried the 3 out of 3, but I've tried the 1. The 2 is the best. This one is the crushed macadamia and rice milk. Oh, it's just a good soapy smell. Fantastic. Okay, that's for your body. Don't use that on your face. Then, I've never used these. I'm probably going to pass these on to my son. This is the Panoxyl PM overnight skin patches for like your zits. And my son's a teenager. He is 15. So he runs through these like water. Oh, I forgot to tell you how much the other one was. This one is $8.75. You get 40 clear hydrocolloid patches. Eliminates blemishes, covers and protects, speeds up healing, absorbs spot secretions, allergies. Helps prevent picking, helps reduce risk of scarring. You leave it on overnight. You will use these. I forgot to tell you how much this was. This one is $6.99. So I like how they include affordable skincare in here that you could actually repurchase. Let's see, 3 more products. This is the Beauty Stat Universal Triple Action Daily Peel with glucosamine and alpha beta acids. 10 treatments. Now, I am not one who uses chemical exfoliants. Do you guys use chemical exfoliants? I'm always scared. It says it's going to prevent dryness on here. I'll be interested. It says fragrance free. Oh, they're like little, they come in individual packets. Exfoliates, brightens, firms, reduces wrinkles. Okay, I'll give it a try and see. Okay. This is $29 for 10 treatments. It's $29. So that's pretty expensive. Okay. Then we have whipped cleanser. Oh no, Joaquina Botanica? I've never heard of this. 4 fluid ounces. Beautiful packaging. Cleansing, purifying, removes makeup, softening, pH balance. So it's a cleanser. So I'm excited to try this one. It says it's aloe, coconut, pineapple. Is it scented? I don't know. Oh, this one is $45. Good grief, that's expensive for a cleanser. But you definitely get your money's worth out of this box. And I have always wanted to try something from Necessaire, so I'm very excited about this. This is the body serum, fragrance-free, 5.1 fluid ounces. Are you supposed to use this in the wash or out of the wash? Let's see. This one is $45. That's expensive. It's a serum in gel, pure hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, applied daily all over the body to relieve dehydrated and parched skin or areas where extra hydration is needed. Okay, so it's just a moisturizer? I'm very curious to try this. If you guys ever tried the Dermy Dot Box, let me know down below.